agua.
What's on the bottom?
Agua.
Mm-hmm.
Agua.
Milk.
Milk.
Very
Good job.
Agua.
Yep.
Agua. Milk.
Very good. What is in the green bottle, Charlotte?
Yeah, what's in there?
What's in that?
Is that... What is it? Milk.
Charlotte, can you shake up the agua? Can you shake the agua? Good job.
Shake it up.
Agua.
Yeah.
See? Hi. I love you. What are you looking at? Could you blow Mommy a kiss? Come on, do I get a kiss? Thank you. I love you. I blew you one.